Welcome back, grade 11s. Now let's look at our application questions. The first question says, elaborate on the meaning of crisis. Now this simply means that you need to explain what crisis is. Crisis is defined as an unforeseen event that can cause major changes in an organization. Now, when we say an event is unforeseen, it means that we did not really expect or we did not anticipate that something was going to happen. It is a potentially disastrous series of events that may occur. So if something is disastrous, it means that it causes a very big or a negative impact in the workplace. And it can also cause harm in the workplace. The second question says, read the scenario and answer the following questions. Let's look at what the question is. The first question says, which examples of crisis can you find from the scenario above? And then we need to support the statement by quoting from the scenario. Now remember what I said about quoting. Yes, we need to take the statement as it appears from the scenario. Now let's go through this scenario together and find out what was the example of crisis. It says Daisy designer manufactures different types of clothing. DD has a specific due date to deliver sports clothing for a sports team. One of their machines unexpectedly stopped working. The area in which DD is situated has electricity challenges, and one of the rooms caught fire because of poor electrical wiring. Now you need to then read the statement with understanding and find out what is it that is an example of crisis. Now, the first one would be a breakdown in machinery. Then remember, when we quote, we take the statement as it is. It says, one of their machines unexpectedly stopped working. So this statement right here is what we are going to quote. Then when we look at the second one, it says the area in which DD is situated has electricity challenges. Now, obviously, this is an example of crisis. So we are going to define this as a power outage. As we are motivating, remember, we are going to take the statement as it appears. Now, the last cause of crisis would be a loss of property due to fire, because the statement is saying that one of the rooms caught fire because of poor electricity wiring. Let's read the third scenario. It says there, Dingan designers are changing their business strategies and introducing online shopping for their customers. The management was transparent with their employees and ensured that they build on their trust. They ensured that they communicate all processes with them. The business also acknowledged that change may be stressful by introducing one-on-one sessions for employees that may feel stress. Now, let's see what the question requires us to do. It says, quote 3 ways in which DD managed stress in the workplace. As we read the scenario again, you will realize that the first statement does not really answer the question, because it's simply telling us what is happening in the workplace. So therefore, it does not answer the question that we are looking for. The second statement rather answers the question, because it says the management was transparent with their employees and ensured that they build on their trust. So in simple terms, they were able to disclose all information that are leading to the change, and then they communicated that information with their employees. The second statement says they ensured that they communicate all the processes with them. Now, this is definitely a way in which we are going to manage change. We are then going to quote the statement as it appears. And then the last statement says, their business also acknowledged that change may be stressful by introducing one-on-one sessions for employees that might feel stressed. Now, I cannot stress this enough that when we are quoting, we need to take the scenario, or the statement rather, as it appears from the scenario, no matter how long the statement is. Now, we are going to then quickly go to an ad break, and then we will continue when we come back.